Branding Technology is a global biometrics and RFID products and service provider by a top China-based team since 2005. We have a complete production chain, which can quickly and accurately provide the required products to customers, from pre-sale consultation, procurement cooperation, to after-sales service and technical support. We follow the premise of customer service as the center. We promise that we have always been committed to the research and development of the products. Your security, my profession, as a way of thinking that guides us and pushes us forward. We have a number of advanced production lines, including access control, time attendance, RFID card, all accessories and turnstiles, etc. Here is our production workshop. We have an experienced professional team, high-quality scientific and technological personnel. We also have strict production environment, which provides a reliable guarantee for high-quality production. For the electric lock series, we have used a special photoelectric controlled ultra-low temperature and ultra-low efficiency design, which ensures a longer life and faster response of the lock. It also features high security measures such as low noise and automatic opening in a case of power failure. We provide magnetic locks in different materials and tensile strands for doors of all materials, and also offer magnetic locks that are waterproof and explosion-proof.
As for the exit button, we have a variety design for customers to choose, such as infrared switch, touch switch, metal switch. And also support customized panel pattern, LED indicated color, outdoor waterproof function, etc., which can be used in different things to meet the different needs of customers. We also provide a variety of access control accessories. For example, good anti-interference, high output power, linear power supply for virus access control systems. And high power, small size, and weight for a variety of electro-locks access control switch power supply. According to customers' needs, we also provide a series of accessories such as door magnets, door closers, doorbell.
For ID card tag producing, we can provide personalized printing, data customization, writing, personalized packaging, and other service. The daily output can reach millions of pieces. We strictly in accordance with the ISO standard control. Our products are fully inspected quality, tensile and frequency testing to ensure the durability of products. All of our products have passed the CE, CCC certification to ensure the quality of our all products. We have tripod turnstile, flat barrier, swing barrier, full height turnstile, and so on, which can meet a variety of occasions and various use scenarios, with a compact design, yet offers sufficient space to integrate any access control system. The devices respond fast to control the entrance. They all have a good performance for anti-tailgate. With the modular design, the maintenance of the device is easy. They are a cost-effective solution for entrance control. We also support the customization of gates according to customers' requirements. This is our sample showroom of smart locks. We offer fingerprint locks, face locks, password locks, etc. Our locks are functionally rich, economically designed, aesthetically pleasing, simple and practical to operate, can meet the needs of different groups of people. Each step of our production is strictly controlled by special quality control personnel to ensure products' quality. With advanced production equipment, strict quality control, professional technical services, we continue to provide products and services beyond customers' expectation. We have always been adhering to the principle of customer first, providing customer service tracking and professional technical solutions and other humanized services.
Ether.com make global trade easier.